just another alternative here with the headset.
Oh
instead
yeah,
of
well
glasses.
this seems to be where they're putting their focus. They're like, all right, they're like, we can do the VR headset, which also will have some AR in it, but it's going to look like goggles. It'll look like Quest, and like they're showing it off here with a kind of almost the design looks AirPods Max inspired. With that little metallic piece and the shape of the headband, and then like some of the finishes. I see the fabric around the eyepiece, reminiscent of the perforated looking colorful materials on the AirPods Max. However, I feel it is even more imperative here to get that weight as low as possible, which is, I believe I've read in the past an aim of theirs using textiles and so forth. This one is apparently gonna be priced at what?
$3,000.
3,000. So in the early stages, it's going to be focused primarily on developers or power users and such. It's not going to be targeted at everyone and mass market, but you could imagine that thing will trickle down at some point.